Hey guys, we're off to Florida to visit my sons. So, I'm getting my packing game on today. We're organising our cases, sorting out our outfits, and putting stuff in a gazillion pouches. I'm also going to show you what I've got for them. So if you want to see what I do to make my trip easier and what I take my lads, you're going to need to stick around. First step is clothes. Florida, the Sunshine State. However, we're going in November and I bloody love November. December, Jan and Feb as well always felt like a relief in the winter in Florida when I lived there. It was always my favourite time of year. It's cool in the morning and the evening, and this is where layering is great, as it can get cool enough for a light jacket like a denim jacket or a hoodie, and even a long sleeve shirt as well. But it can still get hot though, like in the afternoon, so you need to dress so you can strip off if you need to. So I'm packing my t-shirts and shorts, plus my spirit jerseys and hoodies. Oh, and I like to pack a rain jacket, although it doesn't really rain a lot in November, not like it does in July, August and September anyway. It can still be a downpour, and technically November is still hurricane season, so we need to prepare for that. Dressing for the Disney parks. We want to be comfortable, dress with layers. This time we're taking my eldest son to Magic Kingdom. Me and Martin also have an Epcot day. We've got a Universal Parks day. Wear shorts, t-shirts. Us ladies, we like to wear a dress, but if you do, wear chafing shorts underneath. Don't forget to wear comfy shoes. Parks are a lot of walking, miles and miles of walking. For me, it's hiking sandals. They are comfortable, they feel like I'm wearing something summery, but also I've got a sole under my feet taking care of them. Okay, so here is the piece de resistance. I annoy Martin so much with all the pouches. I swear by these organisers, they are awesome. They keep everything together, everything's so easy to find. So the first kit that I wanted to show you in this pouch, it's a great way to organise. Pouches are, we really like them. So we've got our camera pouch, all our stuff for our camera stuff, SD cards and what have you, tripod stand, all the gubbins. We also take our selfie stick as well. That's that pouch. Then we have our medicine pouch. This is anything that we feel like we might need to take. So we always have our first aid kit. Our first aid kit has bandages, because you just don't know. It also has plasters. It has these little scissors in it. These are really cute. Look at these. But we've got cut to size plasters. We've got blister plasters. We've got regular band-aids or plasters. We've got moleskin for blisters. So we're pretty much set for anything like that. We also take a little medicine box, paracetamol, ibuprofen. I suffer with allergies. I obviously empty all of these boxes. I don't take these boxes the way they are, but we have the Rennies, we have cold and flu, allergy pills to be dispensed, Panadol to be dispensed. I also take my prescribed medication. I always take my prescription as well. Me and Martin also have a pouch for the flight. We have one each. They go in our backpacks or personal bags, and they have eye masks in them. earplugs. They're for Martin really, because he has to sleep on the plane because he's coming off a night shift. So we have tissues. I've got this organizer that I use, which I'll show you in another video. And we also have our snacks in there and anything else we want to take. We also have some foot hammocks. This is our kitchen pouch, and we take a few other bits other than these here, but we always take silicone straws and a cleaner. This is what we take them in, little toothbrush holders that we got from like the pound shop. We've got all sorts of plastic, knives and forks. These aren't disposable though, they can all be washed. These are the kits we take into the park with us, especially if we're going to a Epcot food festival. These are great. This is our inclement weather pouch. We like to go in November time, so it's the end of hurricane season, and so it could be a day where there's inclement weather and there's just no way we're going to be able to go outside and have fun because, you know, sometimes weather doesn't allow you to do that. So in here we've got Uno, we've got playing cards, we've got Triominoes, we've got these LED candle things, and we've also got this light. It's a book light, but it's not charged right now, but when it's charged it throws off quite a bit of light. And then there's these USB lights that we got from Temu. They're really good if you plug them into something that's charged and you don't have any electricity for whatever reason, the electricity goes out. These are really good. We're going to be adding some travel Scrabble to this because me and Martin do like Scrabble. And the last pouch is our toilet pouch that we use for the plane. We can take this discreet pouch and I can have pads in there. We've got some potpourri for air freshener, and we've also got, I bag up some antibacterial wipes. Now the pouch game is in hyperdrive. We now need to get our travel documents and essentials into a little pouch or a little wallet so that when we're at the airport we can just whip stuff out of it. Now on for the goodies. So what do you take? Two grown sons who live in Florida. So I'm going to show you what I take for Alex first. I've got him a selection of chocolate. Bombay Bad Boy. So I've got him that. He's asked for Jaffa Cake. In chocolate mint. They were like, yeah, we like that better. So he's asked for Frutella, Fruity Mix. They love Moam. And this is giant strawberries, which he's also asked for. Okay, so this is Ethan. Now he's recently gone, so he's asking for a little more because obviously he's like, oh, I can't do without my Yorkshire tea. So I've got him some Yorkshire tea. He absolutely loves these ramen sesame flavour, so I picked him up some of those. Obviously he didn't ask for chocolate, but I'm getting him that. Jaffa Cakes. He's also got a Terry's mint. He has specifically asked for giant strawberries. I got him also some Moam because they both like these things. He's specifically also asked for Dolly mixtures, so that's those. They've asked for specific things. So they've asked for, this is the Chinese curry. Anyway, then you've got your Indian curries. So the onion bhaji. This is all just the mixes. I don't buy any sauces, and I'll tell you why in a minute. He also has got the mild Madras curry powder, and just for a little something different, shepherd's pie mix. I will show you their Christmas presents next. So what I've got them for Christmas is Guinness World Book of Records 2025. Ethan a grilling kit because he loves to barbecue, and I bought them both a tin each. It's like a little camper van, and it's got shortbread cookies in it, but I've bought it for the tin. And there we have it, guys. Everything is packed, organised and ready to go. And now all that's left to do is get to the airport and start the adventure. So if you like this video, click all the bells and whistles and let me know if you have kids living abroad and what your must-haves are for your visit. Anyway, I'm off. I'll see you in the Sunshine State.